Find the derivative of the function f of x is equals to sine 2x squared minus 6x. So the differentiate rule d of dx sine theta is equals to cos theta. And this theta we have to differentiate. So d theta over d theta, because we are differentiate actually with respect to theta. So is it will be theta. So sine theta differentiation means cos theta, and this theta we have to differentiate d theta by d theta. So this will 1, so cos theta. Now if we differentiate sine of 5x, what will happen? Of course this will cause 5x, so we have to differentiate d of dx, this 5x. So if we differentiate dx 1 and this 5 and cos 5x. So this is the rules of the trigonometric function of differentiation. Anyways, now if we differentiate this problem as mentioned in the question, so you could write down d over dx of f of x equals to d of dx sine 2x squared minus 6. So we could write down sine convert to cos, and what is the angle here? 2x squared minus 6, right? Now we have to differentiate this angle, I mean the value of theta, this one. So we have to write down d of dx 2x squared minus 6. So if we differentiate this part, it will become 2 dot 2, and x to the power 2 minus 1 means x. And oh, by the way, here need to be write down x. So here need to be write down x, x, here x. So it will become minus 6, right? And what left? This whole part left. So let's write down cos of 2x squared minus 6. So the final answer will be 4 of x minus 6. Of course, the first bracket is very important here. Cos 2x squared minus 6. So this is the final answer. In this problem, f of x is equals to sine e to the power x, x to the power 3, right? So here actually 3 composition of function. How? If we could write down p of x, not x, let's write down p of s. Indeed, we could write down sine of s. Why? Because this whole part we actually considering s. That's why. Again, if we write down q of t, it means if we consider up to this part, I mean e to the power x cube, this is actually we considering t. Indeed, we could write down e to the power t, and then r of x is equals to x to the power cube, right? Now how it's look like the function? So the function f of x is equals to p inside the s, inside the s it's look like actually the q, and q to the power q of x mean r of x, and this is actually the main function, right? That means f of